We've called it Weather Impact Day. Reason being almost exclusively for this, for 60-plus mile-an-hour wind gusts for today with some strong storms that'll move through between about 1 and 6 p.m. That threat could include us here across the Front Range. There will be a higher chance for some of those strong winds north and east of downtown Denver, and again, between about 1 and 6 p.m. I'll step out of the way so you can take a look at this, but again, we've called that Weather Impact Day for today because of that potential for strong storms that could produce 60-plus mile-an-hour winds between about 1 and 6 p.m. for today. So the severe thunderstorm risk, you'll notice it's including the Denver area, but that risk is going to be slightly higher as you head north and east of Denver for today, and that's why we've gone ahead and called that Weather Impact Day for today. Temperatures 50s, 60s right now, eastern plains, mostly in the 40s for us in the high country. About a 60% chance for one of these storms between about 1 and 6 p.m. for today. High temperature about 86 degrees for us here in Denver. Winds will be breezy for us throughout the day before those storms rumble their way through the region. Temperatures 80s, 90s, eastern plains. Our average for today is 79 for us in Denver, so it'll be about 5 to 10 degrees above average across most of the eastern plains. Radar, you can see some of those showers and even a few rumbles of thunder for us on the western slope. Those will be the same storms that'll move the way off to the east. As they do so, we'll see that potential for between about 1 to 6 p.m. for those 60-plus mile-an-hour winds and some of those gusty storms for us. These will move east. As they do so, they'll take with it that worst of that weather as they move their way through the region. So 1 to 6 p.m. Notice about 1 o'clock, we're seeing those storms starting to form for us in the foothills. Then about 2, 3, 4 o'clock, we'll see those storms move the way through the Denver area. And again, I wouldn't pay attention to the reds or the oranges. What I would pay attention to is that potential for 60-plus mile-an-hour winds. Bring inside the patio furniture, anything lying around outside, bring that indoors because that could get blown around pretty quickly here this afternoon and this evening. By about 4 or 5 o'clock, those storms moving east out of the metro area, northeast plains. Your storms could come as late as 7 or 8 o'clock this evening. Tonight, we'll clear things out pretty quickly. Temperatures drop to about 50 degrees tomorrow. Low to mid 80s, much calmer, though we could be a little bit breezy at times for us in the foothills. For your day tomorrow, temperatures 80s, 90s eastern plains, a few degrees above average. Then this weekend, we're going to have to watch for this. Area low pressure moves its way in our direction. This is for Friday and Saturday. And this storm system here, folks, some of the computer models are indicating the potential for maybe an inch or two of rain for us in the Denver area with an upslope sort of rain event for us. And in the mountains, we could be talking about several inches of snow above 10,000 feet in elevation for Saturday and Sunday. I will say it's still a little bit early to get you details on this Sunday storm system. The computer models are still a little all over the place, but I want to focus on today with that Weather Impact Day for that potential for 60-plus mile-an-hour winds for this afternoon and this evening.